Hi all, welcome to Go Classes YouTube DPP series for GATE CS, GOAT DPP series. Today's DPP is subject digital logic and the topic is K-map with don't cares. The questions are taken from MIT. The complete GOAT DPP series playlist link you can find in the description, also in the pinned comment. All the questions in our GOAT DPP series playlist, basically our Go Classes YouTube DPP series playlist, all the questions are taken from standard resources to ensure that you practice top quality questions. So this is the question for today. The source is MIT. A K-map is given to you. Remember, these are just 4 copies of the same K-map. You can read this. Figure 1 shows 4 copies of the same K-map. So you don't have to worry about these remaining K-maps. Okay, just focus on this K-map. Now, based on this K-map, there are total 5 questions you can see. So try all these 5 questions based on this given K-map and write your answers in the comments. Okay, pause the video, try to solve all these 5 questions. Now, one variation I am giving you from my side. So this is Go Classes variation for the previous MIT question, that for this function, you can see this function also has don't cares. So for this function, you repeat all the 5 parts, means the part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these 5 parts you repeat for this function also. So this is your Go Classes variation for the previous MIT question. See, this variation I am giving you because this variation will teach you something. The previous MIT question actually will miss a point, and that point will be taught by our Go Classes variation of the previous MIT question. So you try this question also. Okay. Now this is the to-do list, that for each question, pause the video and try to solve all the questions on your own. Write your answers in the comments below. If you find these questions helpful, then please press the like button, please put a comment and share this video with all the GATE CS aspirants. The detailed video solution with complete analysis link you can find in the description, also in the pinned comment. Your support will decide the future of this series. We have started this YouTube DPP series for GATE CS. Every day we are bringing you unseen new standard questions to solve. All these questions, these are within the GATE CS syllabus, and no question is beyond the GATE CS level. So if you show interest, if you participate, if you encourage us with your comments, likes, shares, then we will continue this series daily and we will keep bringing you more and more questions to solve. Okay, so thank you everyone. Please press the like button and please share with all the GATE aspirants. Try all these questions on your own and write your answers in the comments. Thank you.